Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com and looking at the US dollar Canadian dollar here, and what for some people is a possible rising wedge. If you look at it, if you take a trend line from here, for example, to here like this, or like this, or like this, it doesn't matter, and from here to here, it looks like a nice and beautiful rising wedge. So for what for somebody looks like a rising wedge, I would say it is none of this, and I would say that this looks like a running variation of a contracting triangle, and what you see here is only a fake move. Now if you look at the lows, remember that this is the 1 hour chart, but if you look at the lows here and you try to interpret the move to the upside, then this move here is no impulsive move. What does it mean, no impulsive move? Well, first of all, it means that we have no extended wave, and if we have no extended wave, then there is no impulsive move. However, what to do with this rising wedge or ending diagonal or terminal impulsive move? Well, this is no such thing, and from my point of view, these ones should be labeled and should go from this moment of time like this. So this to be wave A to the downside. So our previous wave will end right about these highs or above these highs, and therefore we'll have A to the downside and then A, B, C to the upside. So this should be the B wave like this. So A and the B. Then we're looking for a C wave, A and the B and the C wave all the way to the downside here. So this to be the C wave, and a D wave, A, B, C, and an E wave in the makings or about to be done. I would say in the makings with something like this already done, or the C wave not to be done and to be something like this. So this to be A and B and A, B, C, the C wave and the D wave and the E wave to end around this level, something like this. Nevertheless, what I'm looking here is for a pattern that is about to break higher, and what we should witness here is 161.8 coming out of the longest wave of this triangle, but the longest wave should be this one, and then if you take 161.8 out of it and put it by the moment the E wave broke, let's make this one red, for example, and you put it there, either here or here or here. So the lowest level will be around here. You will see that I'm talking about 111 and 60 area, way higher than our current levels, and because of the lows here of the triangle will definitely be higher than these lows here. It means that this can only be a continuation pattern or a triangle that acts as a continuation pattern, as an X wave, and this X wave should connect two corrective waves. What would be the two corrective waves? Well, first of all, this move here ends with a rising wedge. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Let's change the color for it. And if you take the trend line here from here to here, you are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be, in my book, either A, B, C, and then the X wave, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X wave and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would say that it goes in the form of wave A being here, and the B wave and the C wave all the way to the upside, and then the X wave started A, B, C, X, and then another A and the B and the C. What I'm trying to say is that this US dollar Canadian dollar pair is most likely not going to head to the downside. So the logical outcome, or the logical thing to look for, is to buy call options or to go long if you are trading the regular spot market, depending on your let's say risk aversion. But what looks here as a rising wedge, it is not a rising wedge most likely. So what I would like to do here is to buy call options. This being Wednesday, I will buy them call options with end of week expiration date for Friday, trying to avoid some volatility. Now, we had the retail sales in Canada today, but they let's say failed to bring the much expected break on the currency pair. However, we tested the all important 110.50 area. Probably price will be attracted at that level as we are heading into the end of week trading. So let's write on the screen that we are buying call options with end of week expiration date. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses and recommendations are actually possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lionknife. Thank you, and bye-bye.